Hi guys, welcome back to my channel of Opulence Perfumery Lucknow. This is Gaurav yet again with another fragrance review. And today we'll talk about a very underrated fragrance by the house of Chopard. It's called as Oud Malaki. Guys, this is the beautiful looking bottle. This is the fragrance I'm talking about. Beautiful cylindrical bottle with the amber color juice inside, making it very appealing, at least to me. Now, before talking about Oud Malaki, let's talk about its parent brand Chopard. Chopard is a brand which was incubated in 1860. Yes, guys, it has been more than 140 years old brand. Earlier, they were into luxury jewelry and luxury watches manufacturing, and later on, they added accessories and fragrances in their arsenal. They have been doing very good in the market, and even the fragrances are no exception. Now talking about Oud Malaki is a beautiful blend of tobacco, oud and spices, as the name says. Oud in this one is not animalic at all, and tobacco is a very pleasing sort of tobacco. Let me just make a quick testing of this one. Wow. I find this little bit similar to a more journeyman. Guys, if you have tried it, you'll definitely get that similarity in this one. The spices are very much edible. The spices are very calming. It's not on your face. Oud note is not that much prominent, but tobacco, it's again not a harsh tobacco. Guys, generally what happens, oud and tobacco blend makes most of the perfumes very harsh, very raw, very animalic in smell. But this one is an exception, guys. This one smells very sexy, guys. If you want something for your party wear or for something for winters, definitely do not miss on this one. This is again a very safe oud scent, just like Versace's Oud Noir, which got such a popularity because it's one of those oud scents which are very safe to wear even in office, guys. This one retails for 8,950 for 80 ml, which is again a decent price because the quality Chopard offers is beyond excellence. And what I like a lot about men's Eau de Parfum collection is generally earlier all the toilets were launched and the lasting of those were not that much. But now later on, men's fragrances have also started to come in Eau de Parfum and extract concentration. This one being an EDP gives a beautiful projection for at least 3 to 4 hours and longevity at least this one you can expect it more than 8 hours, and in winters there are times the sillage of this one can go like a beast. So guys, 2 3 sprays and you're good to go. Wow, I love this bottle, and again the presentation of this fragrance is very good. Do not give it a miss. Next time you visit Opulence, do not forget to ask me to make you test this one. That's it for now, guys. Thank you so much and stay safe, stay blessed.